Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to merge PDF files with Adobe Reader in 2025. Whether you're a student compiling notes, a professional organizing reports, or just someone tidying up digital documents, this step-by-step guide will have you merging files like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your device. If not, head to the official Adobe website, download it for free, and install it quickly. It's straightforward and secure. Once Adobe Reader is up and running, open the program and navigate to the main interface. Look for the Tools tab at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to advanced features. In the 2025 update, Adobe has made merging even simpler, so click on Tools and select Combine Files or Merge PDFs from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear where you can add your PDF files. Hit the Add Files button, browse your computer, and select the PDFs you want to merge. You can add multiple files at once. Just hold down Ctrl or Command on Mac to pick several. After adding your files, take a moment to rearrange them if needed. Simply drag and drop the thumbnails in the preview pane to get the order just right. Once everything looks good, click the Combine or Merge button to process the files. Adobe Reader will work its magic, combining everything into a single, neat PDF. Finally, review your new file and save it to your preferred location on your computer. That's all there is to it. Merging PDFs has never been easier, especially with the 2025 enhancements. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the latest version. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to keep your digital life organized.